Are you looking to improve your communication and leadership skills? Look no further than the Benoni Toastmasters Club. With over 45 years of experience, our dynamic and supportive organization offers structured activities to help you become a confident and effective speaker. Whether you want to excel in public speaking, reach your professional goals, or enhance your leadership abilities, Benoni Toastmasters is the perfect place for you. We meet on the second Wednesday of each month, where we meet at the Benoni Lake Club, corner of Edward and Divot Street, Benoni. We meet online on the fourth Wednesday of each month on Zoom. All visitors are welcome to experience the empowering environment of the Benoni Toastmasters Club. Take the first step towards personal growth and development. You won't regret it. All visitors and guests are welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that notification bell to be notified when we upload our next video. You can also give us a like and follow us on Facebook.